crying, and that was an emotional moment. At that particular point, after you're a congressman, how did you feel? Because obviously the Congress and the BJP and Congress always has fights with the Prime Minister on many issues. But as a person, as an
There
individual,
were two things. One were very good words spoken by Honorable Prime Minister for me. Very good words, appreciating my work in different capacities. That was one part. I'm thankful to him for that. But the emotional part was totally different for a different particular incident. That was the terror attack when the Gujarati tourists were attacked by the terrorists. Few got killed, lot many got injured, and the way I was weeping that, bitterly weeping, and that is what had moved Modi ji then also, and maybe he was narrating that story that besides a chief minister, besides a Muslim, I am a human being. I don't, differentiate between human being of Gujarat or human being of Kashmir. So whatever pain I feel for the people of Kashmir is the similar pain, or much more I felt for the Gujaratis who were killed, the innocent women and children and men were killed by the militants. So I think that he recalled that, and he became emotional. And even while I was speaking, I would also not complete the whole story. I wanted to complete that, but I equally became emotional because I remember when one was that time when I went to see the bus, but when I went to see off the those Gujarati, my sisters and brothers, there were dead bodies in one aircraft and injured, and the other ones, the way those sisters, brother, and particularly the children were weeping and telling me, "Hamara papa kahan? Hamara papa kahan? Hamara papa kahan?" वो लिपट गए मेरी टांगों से. So there I broke down. There at the airport I broke down, and there were a lot of media present, and the Gujaratis, of course. Maybe the national media showed it once or twice, but Gujarati media showed it for days together because it was concerning them. And naturally, Gujarat Chief Minister Gujarat would see every cutting and every episode of that. So I think he was recalling that, which made him to weep, which made me to weep again, because we were.
He also took a dig at your party when he talked about the group of 23 and the letter you had written.
But I think that was just lighter in a lighter.
But I'm not going to take it a light. I just want to ask you on this question because now what?
That was a lighter vein.
Now what for the party?
No,
I mean, your party is now looking at elections.
Pradhan Mantri ji and myself, we have not met first time. We have been General Secretary together during Atal ji's time. I'm talking about 90s. When he was General Secretary, I was General Secretary. We were having discussion on we were taking part in debates, TV debates together. Then sitting separately, taking tea, coffee again. Then we, our Chief Minister, had occasion to meet number of times in Chief Minister's Conference, the meeting called by Prime Minister or Home Minister and all these. So we have known each other. So he knows that I am a hardcore congressman. I know he's a hardcore BJP man. We are not going to cross the Lakshman Rekha either side. But then he appreciated the work I had done, and he knew about Kashmir as a Chief Minister, what I have done. He knew as Health Minister. Even then we would talk to each other. Like I was talking to all the chief ministers with regard to health related issues. Again, we were talking to each other. So he knows bit about what I have been doing all through, maybe as health minister, or maybe even when I was civil aviation minister. But when health minister, then he was a chief minister.
But the fact that you have a old relationship with him, do you think that helped you